Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EngageBay CRM. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly to your EngageBay CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to link your Calendly to your EngageBay CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that linking up your calendars is an important part of managing your schedule and your clients. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EngageBay CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EngageBay, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Calendly, what you're going to do is make sure you're in the sales section of your EngageBay. What you're going to do is go ahead and click on calendar here on the top. Once you do that, here on the left side, you're going to see the add Calendly button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but scroll down until you see the Calendly logo and then click on the enable button. Okay, next, Calendly is going to open up a browser and you want to go ahead and sign into your Calendly. Okay, once you sign in, Calendly is going to ask if you want to go ahead and enable the EngageBay CRM application. Go ahead and click on connect to Calendly. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into your EngageBay CRM. And as you can see, I have a green check mark next to my Calendly. So it's now connected, but let me go ahead, go into settings. Okay, here they let you know that your Calendly is now synced. So it's a one-way sync, so all Calendly events are going to be linked into your EngageBay CRM. You can also choose to allow identical time slots. So if you're running two different calendars, you can go ahead and check there. Also, you can choose to sync the contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Calendly account to your EngageBay CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.